Have you ever dreamt of a life behind bars filled with music studios, gourmet meals, and family time? Surprisingly, this dream is a reality in some prisons around the world. While most people picture prison as a harsh and unforgiving place, these luxury facilities offer a different experience. Let's explore a few of them. 1. Halden Prison, Norway. Nestled in the heart of Norway, Halden Prison boasts a recording studio, music lessons, cooking and woodworking classes, rock climbing, a spacious library, soccer fields, and jogging tracks. Each individual cell comes equipped with a mini fridge, flat-screen TV, toilet, and personal shower. This minimum security prison houses only about 100 inmates, creating a relaxed and comfortable atmosphere. 2. Bastøy Prison, Norway. Imagine living in a cottage instead of a cell, enjoying activities like sunbathing, fishing, horseback riding, tennis, saunas, and assisting on a prison farm. That's the reality at Bastøy Prison, another Norwegian facility known for its idyllic setting and relaxed atmosphere. 3. Xincheng Prison, China. This exclusive prison in Beijing caters to fallen political leaders and high-profile personnel. Inmates reside in spacious cells with personal amenities like flat-screen TVs, writing desks, sofas, and washing machines. Personalized meals are served depending on the prisoner's age and crime severity. While not as relaxed as some other luxury prisons, Xincheng offers a far cry from the typical prison experience. 4. Her Majesty's Prison, Aberdeen, Scotland. This privately owned prison focuses on rehabilitation through skill-building activities. Inmates receive 40 hours of weekly classes aimed at teaching marketable skills, preparing them for a smoother transition back into society. This emphasis on education and job training sets Her Majesty's Prison apart from many other institutions. 5. The Justice Center, Austria. From the outside, this modern facility resembles a university more than a prison. Each inmate has a private cell with a bathroom, flat-screen TV, writing desk, and even a kitchenette. Recreational activities include weight training, basketball, reading, table tennis, and computer access. As we conclude our exploration of luxury prisons, we're left with more questions than answers. Are these models beacons of rehabilitation or carefully constructed facades? Do they offer genuine paths to redemption or reinforce subtle forms of control? Ultimately, the answer lies not just within the prison walls, but in the values we as a society hold dear.